kayong dapat pangamahan. So palakpakan po natin ang incoming management ang Reyna Vincent. So okay na tayo. Okay, sige. Very ironic na nag-welcome ako, pero nag-farewell naman po kami. Nagpapalit Victoria Address. Okay? But I guess that is really the case. Okay? So, kung si Darna, kilala niyo po ba si Darna? O parang kaya po pa rin pinapansin niyo? Kung si Darna may bato, ang Maharlika Livelihood Complex po, meron din pinagmamalaking bato. Ito ay nakakabit sa poste, dyan sa hagdanan, papuntang basement. Okay? While we all know that Maharlika building was built 50 years ago, let us not forget that before the construction of the Maharlika building, there was in this hallowed ground the stone market that once thrived as the center of commerce and industry in Baguio City. Alam mo ba yan? The stone marker o ang bato, a stone carving of an eagle, once adorned the entryway of the stone market that was constructed in 1917. However, nasunog po yung stone market in 1972, and this gave way to the planning and construction of this building. And today, the stone carving still exists as a reminder of the rich heritage of the hard-working and industrious natives and residents of the city of Baguio. For more than 100 years na po. So palakpakan po natin ang mga at ang laki po yung stone market. So, to be exact, 108 years na po siya. Hence, management and administration like us may come and go, magpapalitan man ng management, tenants may change ownerships of their stalls from their heirs to their next generation, but this building, or maybe a better building with different looks and better aesthetics, will still be located here. Ladies and gentlemen, history is replete with clamor for the restoration of the market.
Just a few announcements to our guests, city officials.